ditch. The infamous.
Fuair mé tí léine an bhecinn sibh é seo?
Libations.
It is alive and kicking.
It's a pun in Irish.
Full boss. Imagine why a harja inniu tá mé ar mo bhealach go dtí an Irish Art Centre. Ahan bblion bíon Féile na Gaeilge ar siúl. Inniu is iad Ceannaigh na híana a bheith son. Is grúpa scéalaíochta iad, agus bé coppla imeacht faoi sin, agus bé imeacht faoi chear Ceannaigh a scéalaigh, tá mé súil mór le sin is bralam Ceannaigh. Ige dóigh a chlog go dtí leathanne a hain, bé ceardlan ar siúl agam hain, bé mise I dheanas ar cheardlan. Duna tasaitheoirí scéalta bonúsacha a insint san amsir chaite. So bé sé sin spríúil tá coppla cluiche ré agam ach tá mé an seo inis. The seo an schedule don lá. Láán mar dúirt mé ceardlaní, lón, córa, gear Ceannaigh, té agus córa, Ceannaigh, scéalaíocht tá méid súil mór le sin, agus a libations and conversation. Caife mé an focail sin a leir teige mé. It's like Johanna agus córa ach libations. Níor riil mé an focail sin ach an seo. Níl duine ar bí an seo mar a ecin sibh. Agus is brala mé sin. Calm before the storm. Ah, díadid, cé mar atá tú? So caiithí mé na billioga a chur ar na siachain, le bheith ré in am. Agus níos mó billioga. Sinné! Tá billioga bhain eile agam. The infamous Farcabini. Díadíh, fáilte. I would like to just ask you, cén tainnim atá ort, what's your name, and anything else you want to say, maybe where you're at with Irish, if you don't know any Irish.
Is Mr. Colleen? Tá cúpla focail agam.
Why who? And céad bhiliog atá agah. Stickman. This is the method I use for teaching the irregular verbs. So feel free to write notes on it and all, because there's definitely useful things I'll say that's not there. Okay, we'll go through these, practice pronunciation a few times. Honnick. Honnick. So yeah, feel free to repeat after me. Dúirt. Ní dúirt. Hug. Near hug. What we're going to do now is the next sheet that you should have, if I've ordered them correctly. This one. Could and scale in order. Put the story in order. Tíomh amháin tána bríomhra on. So they're the verbs on one side. And tíomh eile, as-ord, out of order on the other side is what you could match them with, okay? So that's actually what I meant to say. Trust me, I knew that. 2 groups of 4 and 2 groups of 3. You okay? Yeah. No. I do, not here, but I'll get it. Cueness, silence. It's okay if you're not finished. I think it was challenging with or without Irish, right? My shiv. Now that did use a few things more than what I said to. No, it's come along. Kneel to a dribblage. You're not in any trouble. I liked your story though, because it was a little more like, maybe a little more realistic than mine. Shin and Cage scale. Sorry guys, but Shin and Cage scale. It's the first story, so my ship. And yeah. And all of your stories went a little differently, so we should similar. It was interesting. Right, I'll give you the order like I had mine when I wrote it. Hula me cat in my garden iha a wine. Okay, so I heard a cat in my garden one night. Hui me amach. I went out to investigate. Ní aca me an cat. I didn't see the cat. Hui me isteach a ríis. So that little a ríis again should be the clue, because hui me ma, and then I went in again, because I didn't see the cat, so I went in again. Hui me isteach a ríis. Tacaigh an cat arás an ihe in a dhé sin. The cat came back the night after that. The next night, the cat came back the next night. Thug me bia dó no dí. So I gave food to him or her, we don't know. Bhí achras na urhi. Dí sé no she and bia gagasta. So they were hungry, so they ate the food quickly. Rin my leabhar don cat, I made a bed for the cat. Bhí sé no she ionta sasta. He or she was very happy. But even telling part of this is a short little story. Hula me cat am gargin a rare last night. Say you could be telling somebody, yeah, hui me amach, ach ní acha me and cats. I went out, but I didn't see the cat, so hui me isteach a ríis. And that's a story. That's a little short story. I went back in again. Okay, Bula Boss. An R test on the leaving cert, which is like the final exams for secondary school in Ireland. Being Scrúdú Béal, there's an oral exam, so you have caife tú Gaeilge, you have to talk in Irish, and this is a part of it. You have them in your hands out. You have two of them. So you have Madra or Stray and Kosher Gan Kiad, I think it was. So stray dog or dog gone missing, and a party without permission. So you can see like Shay picture. There's 6 pictures, 6 sections. Some of them have more than one picture in each. Agus caife tú and scéal inch. You have to tell the story. So this is what students have to do. They have to say a few things, what's going on in each picture. You can do it in the present tense or the past. Probably the future too, like, you know, this is what's accepted in the exam. So there's 20 options, and the examiner gives you 1. You don't get to choose. Except my examiner did let me choose. And he let other people too, because it's tape recorded, it's audio recorded, but not visually recorded. So he was like, you know, pick which one. And I was like, I'll take the first one. This one has subtitles. That's
For a group of cardia amach, chun dinera oil in meal and oil. Pasta blasta on tanum a vier and meala. Current frastily foil to boar rumble.
Oh, it's proclamation. Tasha Glacha. It's cute. Tasula gum gerwinch sultas and Kiardlin. I hope you enjoyed the workshop and the rest of the day. Sultas and Kiardlin la. Germaigiv. Germula Maigiv.
Welcome back to those of you who joined us for the first part of the day, and welcome to the people just joining us for the afternoon. So this is Irish Arts Centre's annual Irish Language Day, and we are very excited to have all of you here with us this afternoon. Before we start our film screening, I am going to pass it off to our friend from Ceannaigh, Mary Capella.
Oh, woohoo! Gaeilge. The Irish language dates back over 2,500 years, being brought to Ireland by the Celtics, as evidenced by inscriptions that were on the Amwe stone tablets that date back to the 4th century BC. Along that journey of this very colorful and rich language, there have been many people who have said the Irish language is dead. After my many experiences in Ireland and here at the Irish Arts Centre, I can tell you it is alive and kicking. Woo! I am Mary Capella, I'm with Ceannaigh Tours, and we are incredibly proud to be a sponsor of the Irish Arts Centre.
Sheila McGig. Sheila McGig. Okay.
Mion Tartil, Clee Tartil, Warrant a chain and two button.
Tána scannain hart, bhí siad docharte, bhí siad chomáid, bhí an caige an cho hard. Bhí coppla ceann grammar, bhí coppla ceann brónach, ceann scan rule, bhain muid soltástú. Agus tá tíléine ar amanis, fuair mé tíléine an bhecinn si bhé seo, gael I gcathair nua áireach. An bhráteach ar an chúl, so tá sé cool. Spáintil me. Thank you.
Ginich.
Cyn tanya matard.
It's Mission Niha.
Trying to like blink while looking at Cahack or Ceannaigh
I know we're going to hear a bunch of great stories tonight, some in Irish, some in English, some bilingually, and I'm really excited. Kieran Gaffney, Gaff, who is the founder of Ceannaigh, who I will introduce to you. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Jesse. Gur míle maith as ucht an Féile a churrum, and also for your patience and for your guidance as we've been planning this event over the past couple of months. Is mór an honor tá sé bheith an seoí ar an státe den ionad aníonnta Éireannach. It's an absolute honor to be here in the Irish Arts Centre today, running Ceannaigh. For those of you guys who don't know, my name is Kieran Gaffney, or Gaff as I tend to go by, and I am the Bunahor, the founder of Ceannaigh. Clapham Gwilyn chud is móisdíobh an ann Gaeilge Uiscint agus tá is a libh nach bhfuil an tanam atáin ó chuid seo Sean's Choice. But I think it's important that we establish that this event is not called Sean's Choice. I think most of you know that by now. It's not called Shaniqua, it's not called Shanquecha, and no, my name is not Sean. Sean nach Amandum, Kieran is Amandum. Ceannaigh an rud atá gceistná is ihe scéalaíochta atá ann. And the plural for Ceannaigh is Ceannaigh. And Ceannaigh means storyteller in Irish. It's also used in hybrid in English, and the plural is Ceannaigh, spelled a little bit differently to the way we spell it. Because Ceannaigh rhymes with iha, which is the Irish for nice. Well done! We decided to link iha with Ceannaigh to make Ceannaigh the way we spell it. So this means storyteller night, but it's pronounced the exact same way as storytellers. So it's a pun in Irish. It's very clever, thank you.
His daughter, his eldest daughter, was due to be married, and she's like, well, Dad, we'll have a small wedding and no hen party or anything like that. We know you're not feeling well. And he's like, you have to have a hen party. You must. I've been looking forward to your hen party for years.
What I do know is that I am very grateful for Gaeilge, because it is the scaffolding that I am building a new home with. What I do know is Tacaigh Gaeilge Agafulam. I'm learning Irish, and I miss my mom. My mom was beautiful and joyful. She loved ladybugs, muscle cars, fancy clothes, tearjerker movies, Pinot Grigio with ice, Santa Claus figurines, and the F word, which she deployed liberally while driving. Slán Awalia Awami. I'll miss you forever. Caramel Mago.